Anxiety is a well-known psychological issue in today's world, approximately 13.3% of all disorders. According to Dr. C. Spielberger in the book Anxiety and Behavior, some people just throw around the word because they don't know what it means. They don't understand that there are many different types and different severities. But what are they? General anxiety disorder, or GAD, is explained as an everyday worrisome over everyday things like its responsibilities and surroundings. This is the anxiety that I was diagnosed with. Panic disorder is when a person has panic attacks that include sweating, chest pain, nausea, crying, and more. Specific phobias is when a specific object or situation that does not normally come off as scary becomes a fear for someone. These are all different examples of phobias. Social anxiety is a fear of social interactions. For example, not being able to order your own food or even be in big crowds. Lastly, separation anxiety is when someone feels fear or anxiety when they are away from a specific person that they are attached to. These are all different types of anxiety, but how can they be treated? There are many different ways that you can treat anxiety. One example is pharmaceuticals. There are many different medications for each type of anxiety. This is more of a solution when your anxiety has gotten out of hand. Or you can use cognitive behavior therapy, or CBT, like I do, for less severe anxiety. CBT helps a person understand what is causing their anxiety and helps come up with solutions for how to rid of these issues. 2 studies were explained by many different researchers. These studies showed e-therapy and online therapy, and also what different anxiety disorders had different symptoms. E-therapy is something I think the world should get more into because it is self-help for people who don't like talking about their issues. The second study explains the symptoms of GAD and panic disorders and how panic disorders have more severe versions of GAD symptoms. Me having GAD, I can explain that some of my symptoms are crying uncontrollably as well as sensitivity.
Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you learned more about anxiety.